After receiving the machine, turn on the robotic arm first. Loosen these two screws. Then tighten the screws. Connect the power supply. Connect the air supply. Then turn on the power. The interface is divided into automatic operation and manual operation. Manual operation is used for blissing the mold. These are all functions of manual operation. Click the turntable to switch stations. Rose and fall are used for the corresponding mold. The automatic operation interface has parameter settings to adjust time. Delayed heating is the preheating time. Heating time is the high-frequency melting and bonding time. Final shaping is the cooling time. The heating time is adjusted according to the size, 2 seconds is enough. Other parameters do not need to be adjusted. Turntable delay operation is the pause time during continuous operation. For faster speed, it can be adjusted to 0. If the operation is slow, adjust it to a few more seconds. Then click down in the manual mode to correspond with the mold. Align the positions of the upper mold and the lower mold. Check whether the edges of the products are straight and uniform. If they do not correspond, adjust the lower mold. Then click the turntable to adjust the next station. This is used for the descent of the robotic arm. Adjust the screws of the arm so that the suction cup is positioned above the product. During automatic operation, you need to click here to keep the arm in working mode. You can begin by using the single cycle mode. Activate the arm operation with each click. Then adjust the operating current. First, insert the card into the mold. Click Mold Adjustment Operation. The turntable will not rotate. The temperature setting is 120. Red is actual temperature, and green is setting temp. Then lower the mold to ensure the skipper parts makes contact with table. Then click Auto Mode. Turn left to increase the current, turn right to decrease the current. Press Start, and slowly increase the current to 2.5 A. Check the results. If it's not satisfactory, increase it a little more. Adjust the current to a suitable level according to your product.